Hey there, creative minds and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to a journey into the fascinating world of AI-powered design. Today, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of Midjourney to create stunning logos for your business. But before we jump in, let's set the stage with a bit of background. Earlier this year, the tech world was buzzing about Midjourney and its competitors like Stability AI, DeviantArt, and Runway AI. These names might sound familiar because they made headlines for a controversial reason: a lawsuit targeting AI-generated imagery and the use of over 4,000 artists' work to train their AI machines. It's a hot topic that's shaping the future of creative AI. Now, you might be wondering, who's behind Midjourney? Well, it was founded 2 years ago by David Holes, a serial entrepreneur with a vision for AI-assisted creativity. Midjourney was one of the pioneers in tapping into the potential of AI for visual output. To be honest, the negative buzz around these companies initially caught our attention. But it also sparked curiosity about how AI could enhance and support creativity in a responsible way. That's what led the exploration of using Midjourney for logo design. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can use Midjourney to create your own business logo. First things first, you'll need a Discord account. For those unfamiliar, Discord is like a more tech-savvy, user-friendly version of Slack. It's free to sign up, so no worries there. Once you're on Discord, you can access the Midjourney bot through your browser, mobile app, or desktop app. Here's where we hit our first speed bump. While Discord is free, you'll need to subscribe to a Midjourney plan to start generating images. Monthly prices start at $10, but hey, if you're feeling committed, you can save 20% with an annual subscription. Now, let's break down the process of creating a logo step by step. Step 1. Join the Midjourney server on Discord. Look for the server list on the left-hand sidebar, hit that plus button, and click Join a Server. Add Midjourney's Discord account and press Join. Simple as that. Step 2. Time to interact with the Midjourney bot. The key here is using commands, especially the /imagine command. This is where the magic happens. You give it a short text description of what you want, and boom. The bot interprets your words and creates an image. But heads up, you'll need to accept Midjourney's terms of service first, and always keep their community guidelines in mind. Step 3. After you submit your text prompt, Midjourney will whip up 4 unique image options in less than a minute. It's using some serious GPU power here, which is tracked with your subscription. Each minute used is a GPU minute, and if you run out, you can always buy more fast hours. Step 4. Now comes the fun part, getting creative. You can choose one of the 4 images created or generate more variations. The initial images are 1024 by 1024 pixels, giving you plenty to work with. Don't like what you see? No problem. You can rerun or reroll the prompt for a fresh batch of images. Step 5. Once you've got an image you like, you've got options. You can create strong or subtle variations, zoom in, pan around, or even open it in your Midjourney web gallery. Step 6. Happy with your creation? Great! Saving is a breeze. Just open the full view, right-click, and choose Save Image. On mobile, it's a long tap and then hit that download icon. That's not the end of the story though. Midjourney also offers one-on-one direct messaging capabilities, opening up even more creative possibilities. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to consider the bigger picture. These AI models continue to evolve at an unprecedented pace. It's not hard to imagine a future where concerns about output quality or input ethics fade away. What we're left with is a world of boundless creativity, a world where the historic limitations of skill or resources no longer hold people back from realizing their visions. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a startup founder with a brilliant idea but no design skills, or an established business looking to rebrand, tools like Midjourney are leveling the playing field. They're giving everyone the chance to bring their ideas to life, to see their dreams materialize outside of their own heads. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace these AI tools, it's crucial to use them ethically and responsibly. Support artists, respect copyrights, and always strive to create original work that builds upon, rather than simply copies, what came before. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI-powered logo design? Give Midjourney a try, and let your creativity soar. Who knows? Your next brilliant logo might be just a prompt away. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the future of design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Midjourney creations in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and creating. Hey guys, thanks so much for spending some of your valuable time with us. We hope you are enjoying the channel and this style of content. We always welcome your suggestions. Take a moment and comment to let us know what you like, what you hate, and how we can do better for you. While you're at it, may as well subscribe to AI What's New and gift us with a like. We've got some really great stuff in the works and we want you right here with us the whole way. See you in the next video.